Hi, when it's an MBA, it must be Maths by MEA. Welcome again to the world of Maths by MEA. So in CAT Daily Dose, we are going to discuss nothing but DILR, in which we are going to discuss set theory and in which 4 sets. Level of this one is nothing but 3 out of 5 only due to the calculation, nothing else. So as per our custom says, what you have to do, आपको करना क्या है, आपको वीडियो को पॉज करना है, you have to read the question and try to solve this question. आई होप आपने वीडियो को पॉज किया होगा, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ा होगा, सॉल्व किया होगा, बहुत इजीली सॉल्व भी हो गया होगा. सो वी नो वी हैव द 4 सेट नेम्स आर नथिंग बट मार्केटिंग, HR, we have operations and finance. So let's make the diagram. So generally how we make the diagram, this one is the first curve for the first, this one is for the second, this one is for the third, and this one is for the fourth. So we have 4 set. We need to plot all the possible data in this and write info. What I said, data and info. Out of 305 student, means total student are 305, and the last line says each student opt at least one. So we can say the summation of all data is nothing but 305. So this one is not the data, this one is info. So we have 305 is total. If required, we are going to use, means outside 0 hai, and we have 150 finance. Okay, say this one is finance, this one is nothing but 150. With the finance we have ops. Okay, this one is ops, and we have nothing but marketing. Say this one is marketing, and this one is nothing but HR. So we have 4 types of set in our questions. Data को plot करते हैं. 150 opted for the finance, 150 finance opt किया है, means summation of the finance is 150. Then the number of students who opted for the marketing and HR is equal to, again this one is an info. मैं यहाँ place नहीं कर सकता, तो हमारा क्या है, marketing, we have nothing but marketing intersection HR is equal to ops and finance, means ops intersection finance, because and is intersection. So we have written the second info. Then 10 students opted all. What is the 10 student opted all? So can we say this data should be the 10? This is in marketing as well as HR, in finance and the ops. So 10 opted all. So we got this data and we plotted this data in our chart. Number of students which opted only finance is equal to number of students which only opted marketing. So ये भी info है, तो इसको मैं लिखता हूँ, that is only finance opted only for the finance is equal to only marketing. ये डेटा मुझको पता है. Find the number of students which only opted HR is 50. Only opted HR is 50. So ये मेरा 50 है, ये मुझको पता है only HR. What do you mean with only finance? This data if I say X, तो ये only marketing भी X होगा. मैंने इसको यूज कर दिया, there is no need to write, तो इस इन्फो को मैं हटाता हूँ. मैंने वहाँ X में डाल दिया, तो there is no need to write info. एक्स्ट्रा वर्डन क्यों ले हम इधर लिखने का. The number of students which only opted is HR is 50 done. Of the student which opted both marketing and HR, among ops student, which one is marketing and HR, means this segment, 10 only opted ops but not finance. Means among the marketing and HR, we are looking for only ops. Among the marketing and HR, this one is marketing and HR alone, marketing HR with ops, marketing HR with ops and finance, and this. So this data is nothing but again 10, because 10 only opted ops but not finance. So this one is the 10 data. Of the student which opted neither marketing nor HR, neither marketing nor HR, neither marketing nor HR, means among 3 data. 10 have both ops and finance. 10 have both ops and finance, means among 3, 10 is ops and finance both. 40 students opted neither marketing nor HR. 40 students opted neither marketing nor HR. Neither marketing nor HR is 40. So we can say this data is nothing but 30 minus X, because we have 10 and X. Now next line, 20 students opted only marketing and finance. Fine, only marketing and finance. So this one is only marketing and finance, because marketing segment and finance segment, that is 20. Now, the number of students which opted marketing and HR is 50. So we can say this data, the intersection is nothing but 50. So this one is summation of these two is nothing but 30, because we have 10. Fine. The number of students which have neither ops nor finance, neither ops nor finance is 85. Neither ops nor finance. So this one is nothing but 85, we know. So we can say if this one is 50, this one is X, we want total is 85. So this data is nothing but 35 minus X. I hope it is okay. This data is 35 minus X. We want 50 data. The summation of all is 50. We have 20. So total summation of these two should be 30. So this data is nothing but minus X plus X and minus 5. This data is nothing but X minus 5 because summation of these two should be 30. Out of 50 यहाँ पे ये है. So can we remove this data? 50 का data को remove कर दो. So we can get the 85 and the 30. Of the students which opted ops and finance, number of students which opted marketing is equal to number of students which opted HR. So the ops and finance, number of students opted marketing is equal to number of students opted HR. So what we can say, this one is Y, this must be Y. Marketing and HR both are equal. The 10 is the common one. Anyway, 30 students only ops and marketing. Ops and marketing. This one is ops and marketing, means this data is nothing but 30. The number of students which opted exactly one of the subject is 105. So this one is again only one subject. Only one subject is 105. Now we need to solve the question. So we have plotted all the data. It's time to do some calculation. Okay. So we have 305 is total. So summation of all must be 305. Marketing and HR as per the question is nothing but 50. If this one is 50, this must be 50. Ops and finance. So we can say we have 20 data here. We need 30 total. If this one is 30, this one is 15, this must be 15. So remove Y from both and we can write 15, 15. Done. So we have done 10, 15, 10, 15, 10. So total is 50. Done. We use this number, remove this. Only one is nothing but 105. What do you mean by only one? Only one means X and 50 and X and 30 minus X. So we can say X plus 50 plus 30 minus X plus X is 105. This one is cancelled. This one is nothing but 80 is equal to 105 and here it's a X. X is nothing but 25. So again, it's time to remove the X. X is 25. This becomes 25. 35 minus 25, this must be nothing but 35 minus 25 is 10. So we need to write 10 here. Fine, this one is X minus 5. X is 25. X minus 5 is 20. So we can write X is nothing but this place should be 20. This one is X. So we can write this place is nothing but 25. Perfectly fine. And this one is 30 minus X. So this must be nothing but 5. Okay. So we used this info. Now we left with two info. One is summation of total is 305 and finance is nothing but 150. So the summation is 50 and 1490 and 115. So that out of 150 we have 115. So this must be nothing but 35. So we used this info too. Now the summation is 305. If we say this one is 150, perfectly fine. 150 plus 40 is 190. 190 is 200, 225, 275 and 280. So we have 280 out of 305. So this must be nothing but 25. So we have plotted all the data with the given info. हमने सारा data plot कर दिया. Now it's high time to solve the question. The number of students which have only HR and ops means HR and ops intersection, but only. HR and ops का intersection is nothing but this data and this one is nothing but 25. So 25 is the answer for the only HR and ops. Fine. Now the question number 2, the number of students which have exactly two subject. Okay, so this one is alone. This one is two subject. This one is alone. This one is two subject. It has three subjects: ops, marketing, HR. This one is only two subjects. This has marketing, ops, finance, three subjects. This one is four subject. This one is three subjects. This one is two subject. This one is two subject. This has three subjects. This one is two subjects. So we have 10, 40, 65, 65 plus 10 is 75, 75, 80, 110 and 20 is nothing but 130. So the answer of this question is nothing but 130. Now, the number of students which have exactly 3 subjects is, we are looking for 3 subjects. Let's check how many box has 3 subjects. So we can say this one is nothing but 3 subjects. Which one is marketing, HR and ops. This one is 3 subjects, marketing, ops and finance. This one is 3 subject and this one is 3 subject. So we have nothing but 25 and 15, 40 plus 20 is nothing but 60. Answer of this question is 60. So if we have a 4 set, don't be panic. Plot all the data, use the info and solve the question. So I hope ये clear है. मैं इसी तरह आगे CAT डेली डोज में DILR भी लेता आऊँगा. आपके पास जब भी DILR आए, please pause the video and solve the question. And जाते जाते I want to say, if you have not subscribed this channel, must subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification of good question, great concepts with the great learning. If you want to follow me on the social networking site, these are my accounts and handles. God bless you. Happy learning and bye bye.